Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be going through my how to glow routine, how I do my makeup pretty quickly, but to achieve more of a natural, it's not really like super natural. I have some like fun products to like amp up the shine, but like a very natural, more effortless type of a vibe focused on skin. I haven't done just like a straight tutorial step by step in a while, so I wanted to do that today. Also, did you know Mother's Day is around the corner? We should like shower our moms with love and attention and maybe a gift or two. And then also there are sales that happen during that time, during holidays in general, right? And you can take advantage of them. Maybe for yourself too. Oh my gosh, I'm outing myself for being that person. Like I do this during the holidays. Like I'm all about gifting and like giving people in my life that I love great gifts. But I also like wander through and I'm like, oh my God, 50% off. I need that. Like it makes sense to shop now. So we're starting this off on a little bit of a weird tangent, but I am gonna be using my Clarisonic, this little guy right here. We love, you guys know I have used this over and over and over and over and over on my channel, and I love this device. Specifically, I'm going to be showing you guys the foundation attachment, but I do use the cleansing device, which really is the same. You pop her off, you put another one on, now it's a cleansing device. Wait, it also firms. It firms. It applies your foundation. It cleanses your skin 6 times better than your fingertips alone. That's proven. These devices are well made. They back their technology. Like I love Clarisonic. I have been using a Clarisonic forever and ever and ever, like over a decade. I end up aging myself a little bit, being like, I've been using it for 15 years now. They're like, wait, what? So these are built to last. They come with a warranty. Like they back their product. It's a good product. I've been using mine for 10 years, but the technology along the way, of course, has improved because like when I got my first Clarisonic, it was just exclusively to cleanse my skin, and it does deeply, deeply cleanse your skin. Like you see such a difference. Oh my gosh, you guys, because I love a good full coverage makeup, which today we're doing not full coverage. Today we're doing like light, effortless beauty, glowing goddess. But I typically go for a little more coverage, and taking that off completely is so important so that your skin doesn't get all clogged up. So Clarisonic is so effective for removing makeup, but along the way, the technology has improved. They brought out this guy right here, which I cannot live without. This guy right here is so good for blending and contour, foundation. You use less product. So in the long run, if you use a more expensive foundation, which I'm not today, I'm using Wet n Wild, but you get my point. Like you use less product, it's a good thing. It blends your makeup in flawlessly. Love this attachment. Oh my gosh, why does my hair, like I don't even move around that much, and it like starts in the back and it just kind of like migrates forward. How does that even happen? I have partnered with Clarisonic. What I am about to share with you is not an affiliate code. I'm not getting commission on the code. Here's the scoop. You can get 50% off, and that includes the little guy for foundation, and then 20% off of the devices, and this is in US and Canada. This code will only work from Friday, May 4th, today, until Sunday, May 13th. So hop on it. I know every time I use this, you guys are like, where's the code? Bring it back. And I'm like, I can't do that in like every video. So I'm gonna put this back on to show you guys how I get my glowy makeup, but I also wanna start out by sharing with you guys that the Smart Profile does have this firming attachment. This is so bananas. Okay, so it's the same kind of sonic technology, and you go like this on the skin, and it gets circulation going, which makes your skin look better. It kind of gives you that I just got a massage, that like look that you get when you work out and you come back home and you're like, wow, I'm like deflated. So this is the firming attachment. You use this twice. You can use this in the morning and the evenings. I especially love using this in the mornings just because I feel like when I do, I have a better makeup day because it really just depuffs. It helps your products to penetrate more deeply. It feels really great. And I'm hooked. I really think this works. All the links and information will be below, so expand that puppy, hit the links to get your discount on Clarisonics if you're interested. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get rid of my large pores around my nose region. It's just in here, like it's not everywhere that I do this, and then I kind of tap the excess just in my T-zone. I'm using my Tarte Clean Slate Poreless Primer. We're moving on to a new primer. This is a big surprise, right, you guys? This is from Clarins. It's made in France. This is, don't we love how Clarins stuff just feels like, this is a primer. It's kind of similar to the Bobbi Brown one. I just was getting really curious to see what else was out there that was more hydrating without adding a ton of oil and moisture and all of that. And so far this one is really nice. So we're all about the skin prep right now. We're gonna go in with a little soft beige from Wet n Wild, which everyone says that this smells like paint thinner. And I'm like, why are you guys smelling paint thinner?
It's a lie.
Ew, it does. But it sure does look beautiful, and it's $5. So this is the PhotoFocus, and I am going to take 1 drop of my Beauty Bakerie oil in with it. This is a more matte foundation, so here is the tip of the day. If you want your foundations to have a little more glide, a little more blendability, a little more slip, you can easily amp up the glow by just adding 1 drop of any beauty oil. This one is really, really good from Beauty Bakerie. And I am then going to mixeroo on my palette right here. You can use a plate, you guys. Just use a freaking plate. You don't have to buy a fancy glass if you don't want to. So what I like to do with this is I actually kind of dunk my Clarisonic into the foundation, and I do find that the Clarisonic works beautifully with liquids. Like specifically with liquids, you get so much mileage out of it. Really good for getting under here if you ever struggle with like the demarcation line issue. It's just so good to get the jawline best. Really light layers, so when I want specifically for my foundation to look really light but perfectly blended, love it. Love, love, love. I am going to contour today, and I'm going to take my Kim Kardashian. I ordered the individual and I keep it in my overnight bag. I still, like a year later, I still love it. Okay, so I'm going to do all this. Okay, now I'm just entertaining myself. This blends so fast. Just watch. Watch and be amazed. And I kind of push it up into the hairline a little bit. Because even though we're contouring, like clearly we're contouring, we're putting makeup on, you want it to look good. You want it to emphasize and enhance your beauty. You don't want it to just like stop right here. And I've made that mistake. I have blended too quickly in the past before and seen like the line close up and been like, oh. So what I do is I try to kind of pull my hair back a little bit and just ever so slightly get into the hairline. I'm gonna do something so out of the ordinary. I normally will go in with Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm just gonna pat on underneath my eye a little bit of this NARS in Creme Brulee. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer because I really just wanna keep the skin as natural as possible. I know I just contoured, so that's a little bit of a contradiction, but I just kinda wanna pat in the concealer and just go for a different vibe today. I'm actually gonna take this on the eyelid as well. I am very lightly gonna set the face and the under eye area. This is the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Your Skin But Better. This is in medium, and I am gonna take also an IT Cosmetics brush and just kind of tap. I don't want my face to look powdery, but I wanna lock all of this in just a little bit and go under the eye to prevent any creasing. We're gonna bronze. Don't you guys get mad at me for this. I bought it, I'm using it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I did a WTF on this, you guys. It's a really good bronzer. I'm just taking the same brush and I'm just lightly bringing the bronzer kind of over the contour, but also on the apples of my cheeks just a little bit. Now, even though this is a glowy routine, I am taking a matte blush, and this is the Baby Blossom blush from L'Oreal. And I'm just going to go right on the apples of the cheek, just kind of stamp this color in just a little bit, and then we're gonna go totally bananas with the highlight. I'm so mad that I broke this. I am still using it every day. This is from CoverFX. This is the Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. I'm gonna go between these two colors right here, and we are really going to glow, 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 glow. Where is my Fix Plus? Oh my gosh, these are important. Few of you guys were asking about speckles of glitter being on my face, and that was from, you know, all the newer sprays that are coming out have mica in them, and underneath lights it does really, really reflect. I still think they're beautiful for not taking photos or being in front of a camera, but yeah, just a lot of you guys were asking about that. Okay, so press some of this in. For my lips, I'm gonna keep it so simple. We're just doing a chubby stick right here. This is called Exposed from Tarte. And then with a glowy look, I love a really reflective high shine gloss. So you just want like the highlighty areas, you know, your cheeks, your lips, your skin to be dewy, but you can add other mattifying elements to your look. Like I'm not gonna put shine on my eyes. Ooh, I love this stuff. This is like such an old school favorite, but I love it so much. I used this in high school. We must curl. And I'm gonna go into this excessive lash from Makeup Forever. I have like a little baby sample and I was like, oh, cute. And I'm like, shoot, I remember why I really love this stuff. It's awesome. So we're gonna go in with this. I am gonna put lashes on, but I'm not doing anything to my eyelid. Nothing. I don't know, you guys, there's something about like very simple, like straight hair, simple jewelry, simple makeup that glows, and then, you know, a little bit of lash action that adds the glamour, but nothing on the eyelids. I love this kind of a look so much, and it's pretty fast to do if you're not like talking like I am and explaining things through. This is a pretty quick look, and of course the Clarisonic blending everything in adds to the fastness of the routine and just makes everything look as natural as possible. So I really love how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this routine, a little glowy skin, a little simpler makeup look. I will also have everything that you need to know in the description box below, from products used and the link to the Clarisonic website where you can get 20% off of devices, 50% off of the brush head. And I definitely believe in this product, otherwise I would not be talking about it on my channel as much as I do. I think it's such a game changer. So I hope if you're interested in trying a Clarisonic that this will help you out with a little bit of money saving. It's not an affiliate code for me. It's there. I have partnered with them on this video, but the code is, it's its own thing. All right, I'm gonna go and glow and live my day. I love my makeup right now. If you guys recreate this look, please tag me. Let me know if you enjoy this look. And if you enjoyed this video, then give it a good old thumbs up, because that is just a nice thing to do and I appreciate that. And I'm sending you love. I hope you're having a good one. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.